Okay, this is the Gateway MT6460. This laptop, I picked this one up, this is the one I got about a year and a half ago at the thrift store. I think I only paid, they were asking 12 or 10 or 12 bucks. I got him down to 8 bucks. I think I only paid 8 bucks for this. He had to go back and ask the manager. And I said, okay, go ahead and go back and ask him. And I offered 8 bucks and he took it. So we're gonna swap out the memory. I found some memory here, and I stole some memory out of my other laptop. I got 4 gigs here. Okay, here we go. So we got to remove this back panel. All the screws, I think they stay in when we get them loose here. You don't remove them. They'll stay stuck in the panel. You go ahead and check out my links down below the description. I got some links there, some affiliate links. If you want to help out my channel, they throw me a few nickels. It ain't no big deal, but it won't change the price if you buy something off my links. It won't change your price at all. They'll throw a few nickels my way to it'll help out my channel. I think I got HP on there. I got some stores that upgraded refurbished laptops. The prices aren't too bad. Like I said, this is the Gateway MT6460. We're going to put 4 gigs of RAM in here. This is the hardest part, is getting all these screws loose. I think there's one way down here. I think I lost the one down in that hole there. See if I can get it. There it is. Okay, here we got our memory here on the left side. There's 2 slots. There's only one in there now. I'm going to pull that one. Here you got your CPU. I'll cover this in another video though. Let's just work on the memory for now. Okay, there's 2 tabs on the ends here. You just want to push them out a little bit. And you'll hear it, it'll click. There it goes. And see how it popped up at a 45? There, turn the laptop there. It pops up in like a 45-degree angle there. And you just slide it out. Okay. I got one here. See this little notch at the bottom here? See if it shows on the left side there? Lay that down. See this little notch here in the bottom, gold? Right there. Make sure you got to make sure that's on the right side when you put it in. And I see it's over here on this side here. So I'm going to flip the memory over and go in at an angle, 45-degree angle, like we took it out. It's up in the air a little ways. See there? And you just give it a push down, just right in the middle. It's light. Make sure your gold all disappears in here. Make sure you seat it all the way in. Push down, you'll hear it pop. There it goes. Those in the ends here, it caught. It catches it. Okay. Here we go with the other one. Same thing. We got to flip it over. We want the slot on this side over here. At the side, because it's over here. I can see it right here. It's closer to me. Okay. I'm going to put it in there in a 45, just like the other one. Make sure you get the gold all hidden down in there. All that gold's got to disappear down in the slot. There you go. Push it in all the way that way. Now just push down in the middle. You'll hear those tabs kicking on the side. They'll grab it. And that's it. Okay, now we just go back to our cover. This has been a good laptop, but the only problem I have with it is I burnt the battery's toast. I gotta get a new battery. Okay, going back on the cover here. There's two see these little flanges hanging out on here? Get it on this side, make sure these are in. Make sure they get underneath the plastic here. On the right side, and pull it towards you. There it goes, you hear it pop. I think there's one over here. There's one all the way over on the side here, on the far side. I'll hold this middle part down with my hand. Make sure I get that one underneath there. There it goes. Now the other side pops right out of it. Make sure these get in there. They're in there. Okay. Let's tighten up these screws here. You check out my Patreon link if you want to leave a donation to my channel. Check out the Patreon link, Patreon, down in the descriptions. I got a PayPal link too. If you think this is worthy content, it helps you out, go ahead and leave a little small donation. We're going to cover more on this laptop in on my next couple days here. I'll make another video. I don't know if I'm going to reboot this right now, as the video's getting kind of long. Let's see here. I got to plug it in because I toasted the battery. I'll show you a link. I'll post a link where you can get a new battery. Okay, flip it over. Got the cord here. Here I got my, remember I showed you guys my universal adapter. This goes in the back here. There it is. It's going to probably take a while to boot up. See what happens here. I might cut it off right here. Video's kind of long. Okay, I'm going to cut it right there. I'll show you. Next video, I'll update the rest. Okay, there you go. 4 gigs in the gateway. Go ahead and like and subscribe.